Hey folks, this is Basant here and we have the good news. Sumodo is back again, so we can get the 10% extra discount on all the tools deals live on the app Sumo here. So in this video I'm going to talk about one of the crazy tool back again. We have the SwipeOne. So this is a tool you can use for all of the marketing purposes. Whether you want to onboard the people, you want to manage their data, you want to send them the emails, you want to send them the WhatsApp marketing, or you want to also connect with another so many apps you can integrate with this platform. Like we have the swipe pages, webhooks, we have the charge page, we have the Slack, we have the Soho form, we have the Reon, we have the Zapier. So many integrations available here. So in this video I will talk about this platform, give you a detailed demo and the features overview. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is how its dashboard look like, and on the people section you can see this is the people and their data here. So once you got the deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in. So here's, if you have already some contacts or the lead information available, you can easily add them here. So simply click here on the add contacts, and after that it will ask you to upload a new contact if you have the single contact, or you can just upload your CSV file, and after that your contact data in the spreadsheet view looks like something like this, with the full name, email, phone numbers, tags, website. So these are the different categories and the parameters. So right now you can see there's this edit view option available. So some of the data right now you can see is the crossed here. So if I go to the edit view, I can just make them the enable or disable or untick here, and then they have also these properties available, like I want to add them with the lead information, and still if you want to disable or untick them, they will be the removed or disappear from your spreadsheet view. You can also drag and drop these spreadsheet according to your preference, and if you want to add a new monitoring property, you can easily add it from here. So this is the lead section or your contact section, easily managed and the monitoring in a spreadsheet view here. Then we have the workflow automation builder, and believe me, this is the really powerful. With so much limited access, still it has the so many capabilities. So let me show you how you can create a workflow. It is basically same kind we create in the Zapier or any workflow automation builder. Let me name it here. So I will going to name it after order flow. Okay, so after the name, let me click here on the workflow. Okay, so this is the workflow we have created, and now its workflow drag and drop builder will be the creator. So it has this some things available. Let me give you the walkthrough. Like first we have to add a trigger, then after that we have to add the action, and then we have this condition option also available. So these are the three main core properties to creating any workflow. Okay, so let's get started with a trigger. So I want to add the segment here. So simply this is the segment, you have to drag and drop, and after that click here to setup. So segment will be the any segment. Okay, then save changes. Now what will be the your action? So we have to go to the action. I want to add a wait. This is the time delay. Then after that let me click here on the again to set up it. So I want to make it a delay for the few minutes. Let's make it the 5 minutes. Save, and now simply you have to drag it here, and now it's connected. Super easy to connect here. Okay, now after the wait I want to send out a email here. Okay, so then we have this is that the sales email I want to send out, or I can send out the notification email here. Okay, it can be also marketing email. So let's go to the notification email, click here on the setup, and after that it is going to ask you what will be your notification email, your audience. You can select it from here. Okay, and once your email is done, click on the save, and it is done. Now let me connect it here. Super easy to connect. Then after that I also want to send out a notification on the Slack. So simply drag and drop this Slack notification, connect it here, and if you want to set up, click here. Then you can connect your Slack account and set up the things you want to do it. Okay, so that's the way you are going to create your workflow automation. Pretty much easy. And right now they have also the other options available from their different features, like AI agents, leads finder, search and scrape, and there's the professional email writer with the help of AI that is going to generate the emails for you. So right now these connectivities is still in the development mode and in the coming soon tag here. So in the upcoming few weeks or the days we can also access these features as well here. Okay, so this is the workflow builder, pretty much easy to create and the setup. Now we have the app sections available where we can find out tons of great apps to interconnect with our dashboard. First one, we have the swipe pages. This is the same tool that is developed by, again, I want to talk about the same team here. Okay, then we have the webhook available, we have the Shopify. If you have the products for the e-commerce, you can interconnect your products information or the data, or want to send out the emails depending on your different purchases or actions by the customers. You can do that. We have the WooCommerce available, we have the Chargebee, we have the Slack, we have the Stripe, we have this paper form, we have also a Zapier connectivity available. That is pretty good. Then we have the Recon connectivity also available. That is going to help you to verify your emails here. So if you don't know and want to get information more on the Recon, I suggest this is the tool. You can get it on the lifetime deal, and there's also a detailed video on my channel here. So with the help of Recon email verifier, whatever the contacts you are going to add, you want to also check whether their emails are the genuine or not. So you can do that with the Recon, and let me tell you, this single action is going to decrease your bounce rate and going to improve your authority in the sending out emails and make your emails more authoritative to landing in the inboxes. So with the help of email verifier, you can do that. So this is the good tool, and its connectivity is also available on this SwipeOne here. Then we have the Calendly available, we have this tally option available, we have the different Soho forms or the forms, other kind of the applications available here. So we can connect and we can also use these apps in the workflow as well. Then we have the AI agents available. This is my favorite part, because we have the different AI agents or the assistants or the whatever you want to call it as the co-pilot, you can also call them. Okay, so we can create to onboard our clients, we can create for the email campaign creator, we can also set up for the writing out for our LinkedIn posts, we can set up for the finding out what are the best profiles or the customers here we have. Okay, so right now we have only the 8 AI agents available, but what I believe here, in the future we can see more. So what I suggest, right now these 8 are also going to help you a lot, but in future we will see more here. Then we have the campaign section available, where you are going to start launching and sending out your email campaigns. Okay, so I have created a demo campaign, that is the broadcast. If you want to create your own campaign, you have to simply click here on the create new campaign, and once the campaign is created, it's going to ask you the your name. Then after that, it will also ask you to connect your custom domain. So let's click here on the custom domain. Okay, and after that it will simply ask you to add your domain name, and after using the SMTP way or some ways, you are easily going to connect here. That is pretty much easy task. So we are in the settings. So let me also talk about other options as well that is available here. That if you want to add your team members, from this section you can add them here. Then we have the email health option available. This is the really good indication option that is going to tell you what is the health score about your domain that we have recently connected. From this domain section, it is going to tell you the bounce rate, the complaint rate, and if your health is pretty much low, what I suggest, connect the another domain, and after that slowly increase their health. Okay, so to increasing the health, what I suggest, you need to connect with the email verification tool. So simply get the Recon email verifier. If you want a detailed video, just search out on my YouTube channel, you will find that. And after that, you have to simply add the API key here, and boom, everything is done on the automation. Okay, so I have showed you all these steps and the major features in the SwipeOne, how you can add your leads here to getting or creating your workflows and using the agents here. And we have the multiple apps to connect and their data for the managing under the one hood. So SwipeOne is really a good tool to grow and scale your business with the different tools. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this SwipeOne. So right now this is the good time to get its lifetime deal, starting from the just $69 back again. And like I told you, its deal is only going for last the 4 days. So this is the right chance. If I go to plans and feature, this is all the tier plans you can see. So every tier plan will give you the access of the contacts or the EI credits or the emails you can send every month. So based on your objective or based on your the fulfilling target, you can select any of the tier here. So if you want to check it out the deal, the link will go in the description. Plus I am also giving out my free bonuses, so make sure to check out the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.